الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون. Those who break the covenant of Allah after ratifying it and sever that which Allah ordered to be joined, and who make mischief in the earth, those are they who are the losers. كيف تكفرون بالله وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون. How disbelieve ye in Allah when ye were dead, and He gave life to you? Then He will give you death, then life again, and then unto Him ye will return.